In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make money with Shopify. The goal is simple. You will set up your Shopify store, add products, configure payments and shipping, promote your store, and then focus on getting your first sales. As you follow along, keep your eyes on the screen so you can match each click and setting. First, go to Shopify Admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage everything in your store. When you log in, you should land on your admin homepage. From here, you can access all the tools needed to create products, connect services, and start selling. Next, click Products. This section is where all your items will live. Think of it like the inventory area of your store. If you are starting from scratch, you may see an option to add your first product, or you may see a blank list. Then, click Add Product. This opens the product creation page. Take a moment to notice the fields you will fill in, such as the product title, description, pricing, and media. These details matter because they help customers understand what you sell, and they also shape how your product appears online. Now, add your product details. Enter the product name, write a clear product description, and set the price. If there is an option to upload images, add high-quality photos that show the product clearly. If you see variations like size or color, you can add them here as well. Make sure everything is accurate before moving on, since customers will base their decisions on what you publish. After you finish entering the details, click Save. This confirms that your product has been added to your store. You should see the product appear in your products list, which is a quick way to verify that the system accepted your changes. At this point, you will shift from creating the product to making sure it displays on your actual storefront. Click Online Store in the Shopify admin menu. This is where you manage the theme and the look and feel of your shop. Then click Edit Theme. You will be taken into the Theme Editor area. Here, you can adjust how your store is presented, including where products show up and how the pages are laid out. Even if you do not make major design changes, it is important to ensure your theme is set up correctly. Now, add your products to your store. In the Theme Editor and Storefront settings, you want to make sure the products you created are visible on the relevant sections, such as the homepage or featured collections. Depending on your theme, there may be settings that control which products or collections appear. Your aim is that when someone visits your store, they can browse and see your items right away. After your store looks ready with products showing, set up your payment provider. This step is essential because it determines how you will receive money when customers buy. In Shopify, you will find payment settings where you can select a provider and complete the required setup, so payments can be processed securely. Next, set up shipping. This tells Shopify how much it costs to deliver your products and where you can ship. You will choose your shipping zones and set rates. If you have different shipping options, define them clearly so customers understand what to expect at checkout. This also helps reduce confusion and prevents issues later. Once payments and shipping are configured, it is time to promote your store. Click the relevant promotion area in Shopify Admin and use the tools available to share your store. The important part here is that you start getting traffic to your website. Even if your store is fully set up, you will not get sales until people know it exists. Finally, get your first sales. As you promote, watch how customers respond to your products and your checkout experience. If anything seems unclear, go back and adjust product descriptions, images, pricing, or shipping details. Over time, small improvements can make a noticeable difference in conversions, and that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.